So why would you want to learn about hypnosis? There are many ways of achieving an outcome and many different therapies and techniques, and this course is not about suggesting that one is better than another. But one thing that really stands out about hypnosis is that it's a very comfortable process that involves relaxation and doesn't require a great deal of conscious effort on the part of the subject. You see, with hypnosis, we're interested in communicating directly with the unconscious mind. We'll talk more about the unconscious mind as we go through this course. And to give you a little insight now, the unconscious mind is always operating and following its own internal rules and values to produce the experiences that we have. And of course, the reason that we refer to it as the unconscious mind is that it's the part of the mind or the processes and actions being carried out in the mind that we're not aware of consciously. Which makes sense, doesn't it? And of course, what that means is that if we can communicate alternative behaviours, or if you like, possibilities that are more attractive to the unconscious mind, then you can change your behaviour. And quite often, without even needing to be consciously aware of that. In fact, quite often, it's sometime after a hypnosis session that people suddenly think to themselves, hang on a minute, I don't do X, Y or Z anymore, which is always good. So, a few other reasons why you might want to learn about hypnosis. Well, I've already mentioned relaxation, and hypnosis is a really relaxed state. This state of relaxation has been proven to be beneficial for us, both mentally and physically. You'll have heard about hypnosis for breaking habits, such as maybe giving up smoking, etc. Maybe you have a few old habits that you'd like to get rid of, or maybe you're working with someone who has. Well, hypnosis is going to make that process really easy. To look at it in another context, maybe in business, you'll be learning some really powerful language patterns and techniques for communicating with the unconscious mind, and these can be easily used in sales and marketing to assist in getting your point across and delivering your message to the unconscious mind of maybe the buying public. So hypnosis is generally considered to be an alternative or complementary therapy, and it's true that its benefits are being recognised by more and more people, and often hypnotherapy is recommended in parallel with more traditional forms of medical treatment. As a result of this and the public's ever-growing interest in alternative therapies and acceptance by the medical community of the benefits of hypnosis, hypnosis products, training and its use in business, coaching and therapy is definitely on the increase. And this is what you are about to learn. You'll be learning how to make rapid change in your own life and others' lives. You'll be learning how to communicate more effectively to get the results that you want in business, in your coaching efforts and of course in your own life as well.